Bexar County's top prosecutor today announcing new steps to increase scrutiny when officers and deputies shoot people.
Dylan Collier live at the Bexar County Courthouse with more on the creation of a civil rights division. Dylan.
That's right, Ursula. District Attorney Joe Gonzales says the creation of the 4-person unit, which would be made up of 2 prosecutors, an investigator, and a victim's advocate, is still pending approval by county commissioners. That could come as early as next week at a price tag of $385,000 a year. Gonzales, during this press conference, said his agency had to take a hard look at itself after the death of George Floyd by Minneapolis police this summer, and the creation of this division is a result of that inspection. That self-inspection. Prosecutors and an investigator will now begin responding to in-custody death scenes. This is for the police departments in Bexar County, as well as the sheriff's office and any constable offices. The scrutiny will not end there. There will be more efficiency in investigating these cases and then eventually taking them to a grand jury. DA Joe Gonzales has also ended the practice of clearing officers and returning them to duty before a case is taken to a grand jury. He said in some cases the previous administration would return these officers without ever presenting evidence against them to a grand jury in Bexar County.
We continue to say it doesn't help anybody to have bad cops in the department. Everyone recognizes that we have to do everything we can to make sure that we review these cases and make the right decisions if an officer should be prosecuted.
The DA did say San Antonio Police Department Chief William McManus is on board with the plan. Gonzales, however, would not commit to creating a video release policy for these shootings involving deputies and officers, saying that even after his agency has cleared the officer or deputy of wrongdoing, in most cases it wouldn't be fair for that officer or deputy to have that footage out there. He said instead a letter will be released to the public after these cases are presented to a grand jury. Live at the Bexar County Courthouse, Dylan Collier, KSAT 12 News.